Imagine a world where your home knows what you want before you do. The future is near, and technology is evolving at an incredible pace. By 2030, many exciting advancements will change our daily lives. Let's dive into some predictions of future tech shaping the world. First, we can expect advancements in artificial intelligence, or AI. AI will move from basic tasks to complex decision-making. Everyday tasks, like grocery shopping, may become automated. AI will analyze our preferences to make choices for us. Next, consider the excitement surrounding virtual reality, or VR. By 2030, VR will revolutionize entertainment and education. Imagine exploring ancient civilizations while sitting in your classroom. With immersive experiences, learning will become more engaging and effective. Now, let's talk about smart cities. These cities will use technology to improve life for everyone. Sensors will monitor traffic and pollution, enhancing efficiency. Public services like waste collection might even become automated. Imagine a city that adjusts itself, growing smarter every day. Another significant prediction involves health technology. Wearable devices will become more advanced. They'll monitor vital signs and even predict health issues. This means earlier interventions and healthier lifestyles. Personalized medicine will also grow, tailoring treatments to individuals. Let's consider renewable energy. By 2030, more homes will use solar panels. Energy sources will be cleaner and more efficient. Smart grids will manage energy supply and demand. This change will contribute to a healthier planet. Now, how will transportation evolve? Self-driving cars are on the horizon. Roads may become safer as AI controls vehicles. Public transportation will also become smarter, reducing wait times. Urban commuting will be redefined by this technology. To illustrate, think about how your daily routine might change. You wake up in a smart home. Your coffee is brewed to perfection, just for you. You hop into a self-driving car, relaxing while it takes you to work. At work, AI assists in projects, making you more productive. In summary, by 2030, we will witness striking technological advancements. AI, VR, smart cities, health tech, renewable energy, and self-driving cars will transform our lives. The future holds endless possibilities and innovations. So, what can you do now? Stay curious and informed. Follow the latest tech trends and developments. Embrace change and think about how these technologies can improve your world. The future is arriving fast, don't miss out.